like that? That's what you gotta do, man. Yeah, right. You was doing? No. Now give me an ID. You're not welcome in here. Now give me an ID. Get the f*** out. You want to do it like this? I want to do it like this. Okay. I'm in the middle of a workout. I get another unit. He's not. You got it.
And all of this is taking place because this is the 37th time that police was called to go to that gym for a noise complaint. And mind you, this is at 5 o'clock on a Wednesday morning. This guy, you can tell he's juiced out his mind, dude.
You got a complaint? Yeah, we got a complaint. An ongoing issue. So I would like you want to talk to me. It's up to you. He kind of like nudged me out. I opened the door.
Get sued for harassment. This is private property. You do not sit here in front of my motherfucking gym and cause disturbance. No, you. Don't f with me. Don't f with me today. No, yeah, you are. Yes, you are. You guys are sitting here f***ing staring at my. These guys don't pay $50 a month gym. I don't give a f***. I think she's a f***ing. That person is known for fucking having mental disability. It is in court, fucking documented. That's right. So it's coming. No, I already did. What the fuck are you gonna do to me? You ain't gonna do shit. What the fuck are you doing rolling 4 deep? Shut the fuck up. All I was asking for your ID. You ain't getting.
This guy is barefooted in the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning. Bro, I've been to the gym for 4.5 years at 4:35 a.m. And I choose to go at that time because it's mad quiet and peace. Now this situation is gonna just turn bad for him.
You have no right to be in this building.
All of this happens just for a simple noise complaint. All he had to do, listen, officer, there's a neighbor that's just going crazy, constantly calling the cops. This is the 37th time the same neighbor called the cops at 5 o'clock in the morning to go visit that gym. This is crazy, dude. And that's the owner of the gym.
Look what you guys just did on Wednesday morning at 5 o'clock.
We'll get just up in a second. I really was just gonna ask you for your lesson. We're gonna have to do all this.
Oh man, it's been. I had to go through court for all this again.
I get it, man, but like, you know, when I first got here, I was cool with you. I was just trying to talk to you, and right away you started screaming at me. Okay? I get it. I'm a gym head too. This is gonna ruin my workout too, man. Where's your wallet and stuff at?
I don't have a wallet in this morning.
Just try to fit in there real quick. Get your knee over this bar right here and unload.
Can you just leave this open just until I...
No, I can't, man.
I'm not gonna run, bro. I swear. Can you just open at least the window? I'm not gonna run. I swear to God.
Okay, what's your name, man?
Brandon.
You good? Yeah. You got some shoes, right?
I don't have shoes. Oh, those are right.
I'll put your shoes on?
It's all good, dude. I don't have shoes.
We'll take him to the station.
He said, he was hitting him in the face. He was punching him and stuff. Everyone's still on except YouTube or something. So I turned back on because he's a customer. Go ahead and take it down. I'll tase. I just saw he wasn't going down and it was too much of a struggle, so I was fighting.
As you can tell, this guy was charged with resisting, obstructing,